I tried making money with AI for 7 days. And honestly, I thought this would be easy because everywhere I looked, people were saying the same thing. Make money with ChatGPT. Earn online using AI. Start with zero experience. It sounded simple, but what actually happened was very different. By day 2, I was confused. By day 3, I almost gave up. And by day 7, I finally understood why most people fail, even when they have access to the most powerful AI tools in the world. See, right now, AI is everywhere. People are talking about it on YouTube, on TikTok, on Twitter. Every second video is about making money with AI. And if you're watching you've probably seen those videos too. Some people show big numbers, some show screenshots, some make it look like you can start today and earn tomorrow. And that creates a belief, right, that making money with AI is easy. But here's the truth. Most people never make anything. Not because AI doesn't work, but because they never understand how to use it properly. So instead of just watching more video, I decided to test it myself. No assumptions, no fake expectations. Just a simple challenge, 7 days to see if a complete beginner can actually make money using AI. Before I started, I made some strict rules. I wouldn't use any paid ads. I wouldn't use any existing audience. I wouldn't rely on any advanced skills, just basic tools like ChatGPT and simple platforms that anyone can access. I wanted this to be real, something that anyone watching this video could actually follow. And then I started day 1. Day 1 was honestly frustrating. I spent hours researching, watching tutorials, reading blogs, trying to understand what actually works. But the more I watched, the more confused I became because everyone had a different method. Some said start a YouTube channel, some said do freelancing, or some said build AI tools. Too many options, too many directions, and no clear starting point. I kept switching ideas, trying one thing, then another, but nothing felt right. At the end of the day, I didn't make any money, not even close. And that's when I realized something important. Information is everywhere, but clarity is rare. Day 2, I changed my approach. Instead of trying everything, I decided to focus on one thing, just one. I asked myself a simple question: what is something businesses need every day? And the answer was obvious. Content. Every business needs content, captions, emails, ads, scripts. They need it daily, and most of them don't have the time to create it. That's when things started making sense. Instead of chasing complex ideas, I decided to focus on something simple, using AI to create content for others. Day 3, this is where things started changing. I opened ChatGPT and started experimenting. I tried different prompts. Some worked, some didn't. But slowly, I started understanding how to get better results. For example, instead of write captions, I write 10 engaging Instagram captions for a fitness brand targeting beginners in the US. And suddenly, the output was much better, more specific, more usable. That's when I understood AI is not magic. It depends on how you use it. The better your input, the better your output. So I created some sample work, simple captions, basic product descriptions, nothing perfect, just good enough. Then I created a profile on a freelancing platform. No fancy design, no complicated setup, just a clear message. I help businesses create content using AI. And then I started reaching out. At first, no replies. Then, after multiple attempts, I finally got a response, not a payment, but interest. And that moment, it felt like progress. Day 4 and 5, so I stayed consistent. I improved my approach, wrote better messages, created better samples, used AI more effectively, and then it happened. I got my first small order. It wasn't big, just a few dollars, but it changed everything because now it wasn't just an idea, it was real. Someone trusted me and paid me for something I created using AI. And that moment gave me confidence, not just in AI, but in the process. Day 6, I started noticing patterns. The more I worked, the faster I became. Tasks that felt difficult before now felt easy because AI was saving time. But here's the key realization: AI was not doing the work for me, it was helping me do the work faster. The real value was still coming from me, from how I edited, how I improved, how I delivered. And that's where most people fail. They expect AI to do everything, but success comes from using AI smartly, not blindly. Day 7, I looked at everything I had done. Did I make hundreds of dollars? No, but I made progress. I got responses. I got my first order. I understood the process, and that's more valuable than quick money because now I know what works. And once you know that, you can repeat it, improve it, scale it. So here's the truth: making money with AI is real, but it's not instant. It's not automatic. And it's definitely not easy if you keep overthinking. Most people fail not because AI doesn't work, but because they never take action. So if you're watching this, listen, waiting for the perfect moment, this is your sign. Start small, take action, use AI as a tool, not as an excuse, because the opportunity is real, but results only come to those who try. And if you want more real methods to make money with AI, step by step, right, simple and practical, then make sure to subscribe to this channel because I'll be sharing everything that actually works. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next.